Take aim! Take aim! Fire! Prime and load!
Probably fall out during the jog. Yeah.
How did you have that many responses?
Yeah.
First platoon! First platoon! Make ready! Present! Fire!
Nothing.
Climb along, climb along.
I'm not getting enough sparks.
First platoon! Left! Face! To the front! March! Halt! Right! Face! Fire at will!
There you go. No
If you have a pick, touch the touch hole with it. That's probably what's going on.
Formidable!
Second misfire.
There you go.
Keep up your fire! Keep it up! Anybody having problems?
Bye-bye, guys.
Keep it up! Keep it up! That's it. If you still got a clean musket, you're gonna take a hit. Keep it up! Keep up your fire! Keep it up! Sergeant! Sergeant, throw him into me! Front right! About! To the right about face! Lieutenant! Throw him into me!
First platoon, to the right about face.
Right about face!
Mark! Mark!
Mark! Lieutenant! Bring your men back!
First platoon, halt!
What?
First platoon, to the right about face.
Keep up your fire! Keep
Fire at will!
Keep up your fire! Fire at will!
Don't double load.
Keep up your fire! No! Keep firing. Keep up your fire! First platoon! First platoon! Right about face! To the left, oblique! March! That way.
This way.
Going forward. Front! Halt! Right about face!
This is your last chance to get some fire shots off. Right here.
Fire at will! Keep it up, boys! Here they come! Give it to them! Give it to them! Give it to them!
That would be a double load.
Fire into them, boys! Fire into them! Keep going, boys! The field will be yours! First platoon! First platoon! Right about face! All right, bring it back. Finish me. The whole platoon? Yeah, the whole platoon. Platoon, to the front! March! Got one more line.
Close up on them.
Close up. Keep firing. First platoon! Exactly.